Fine, let us start working on fourth problem based on fraction. Here, find the value of 1 2 by 3 plus 4 6 by 7. Right. So we are supposed to find 1 2 by 3, the sum of 1 2 by 3 plus, that is what, 4 6 by 7. Right. They have given in terms of mixed fraction. Right. Mixed fraction they have given. So we are supposed to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Right. Improper. So now what happens, how you are going to convert? It's very simple, right? You need to multiply this 3 into 1 and add the product. So now that will become improper. Let us check out here. 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2 5. This will become 5 by 3 after converting from mixed fraction to improper. Plus, now similarly you do it. 7 4s are 28. Here you need to multiply. 7 4s are 28, and here you need to add 28 plus 6, that is 34 by 7. Now we have to add it. Now observe the denominator. Both denominators are different, so find the LCM of it. 3 and 7, both numbers are not divisible by each other, that is co-prime numbers. Now multiply it. 7 3 is the 21 is the LCM, so 21 is the LCM. Now divide 21 by 3, that is 7, and multiply the numerator, that is 5, plus 7 3 is 3 into 34. Now 7 5 is 35 plus 34 3 is so 34 3 is how much? 34 into 3. So 4 3 is 12, 1 carry, 3 3 is 9 plus 1 10, 102. 102 by 21. So 102 plus 35, that is 137 by 21. This is the answer. But they have given the option in terms of what? Mixed fraction, right? Now we need to convert the improper to mixed fraction. How you are going to do? It's very simple one. Let us divide this 137 by 21. 21 6 right? 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 126. Now subtract here. 7 minus 6 is 1, right? 3 minus 2 is 1. 11 is going to be the remainder, right? 6 is the quotient and 21 is the divisor. So when you are going to convert improper to mixed fraction, so you are supposed to place in this way: Q or D. What is Q here? Quotient. Quotient is 6, right? Remainder 11 and divisor is 21, right? The answer here is 6 11 by 21. So option B is the right one.